Welcome to Hadir for HR. In this series, you'll manage your whole workforce from one dashboard. This chapter, adding staff and handling phone changes. To add a new person, open People and choose Add Employee. Enter their name and their own mobile number. The number becomes their login, so it must be theirs, and it must be a Malaysian number. Choose their language, position, and pay basis. The access role decides what they can do. Site workers get worker, office staff get staff. Save, and the employee record is created. Now generate the invitation. This one-time link is personal and valid for 30 days. Send it to the worker on WhatsApp. Use the prepared message in the onboarding workbook. On their phone, the link sets their 6-digit PIN. There's a separate worker tutorial video for that. Workers' accounts are locked to one phone. When someone changes phone, open their record and use the device reset. Choose the reason and confirm. The old phone is blocked immediately, and you get a fresh setup link to send them. That's onboarding. Next chapter, daily attendance and corrections.